These 4 powerful websites can save you hours of work, and most people have never heard of them. Today, I'm going to show you 4 powerful websites you should absolutely know. These websites can help you learn faster, work smarter, and even make money online. Make sure you watch till the end, because each one gets better. Let's start with website number 1, Remove BG. This website removes the background of any image automatically in just one click. First, open remove.bg in your browser. Upload any photo, a person, product, or profile picture. Within seconds, the background is completely removed. No Photoshop, no skills needed. You can download the image and use it for thumbnails, Instagram, TikTok, or business designs. This website saves you hours of editing and makes your content look professional instantly. Website number 2 is TinyWow, and this one is insanely useful. TinyWow gives you free tools for PDFs, videos, images, and text. You can compress PDFs, convert files, edit videos, and even remove watermarks. Everything works online. No download, no account, completely free. Perfect for students, editors, and anyone working online. This website replaces many paid apps with one free platform. Website number 3 is futuretools.io, and this one can change how you work. This website lists hundreds of AI tools in one place. You can find AI tools for writing, video editing, coding, marketing, and design. Each tool is explained clearly, so you know exactly what it does. Instead of searching everywhere, this site saves you time and keeps you ahead. If you want to work smarter with AI, this website is a goldmine. Website number 4 is Pexels, one of the best free content websites online. On Pexels, you can download high-quality photos and videos for free. You can use them for YouTube videos, thumbnails, Instagram, and business projects. No copyright issues, no payment required. Just search, download, and use. This website makes your content look premium without spending money. These were 4 powerful websites you should definitely know. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech content like this. Which website was your favorite? Let me know in the comments.